I've been chasing a P0440 code, and I wanted to do the factory manual tests on the charcoal canister. And I've got 3 of these. I've used ones stored up in my garage, and I started trying to do the tests, and the 2 of them failed the same test, where you cap off this one and this one, and you blow in that hole, and air is supposed to come out of this hole. So that all seemed to be involving this valve here, and so I cut one apart. For what it's worth, this one seems to be a single diaphragm with a spring up here, and then this one's a double. It has a, looks like it has a spring on the bottom and a spring on the top. I haven't cut one of these apart yet. So the one I cut apart, there's the cap. The spring sits in there, wherever that goes. And then the bottom side, this piece goes in, sits in there like that. And it's got a, so these 2 ports just go into the chamber behind the diaphragm. And then this port goes into this one-way valve here with a open port here, but that port gets closed off when this diaphragm gets pushed down by the spring. It closes that off. So I guess if you put pressure in either one of these ports, it expands the diaphragm against the spring and lets air flow out of here. So that kind of sounds like what this test is trying to do, getting you to blow in this port. It seems like it would expand that diaphragm and let air go out into the canister and come out of this hole. So this valve here is testing right. If I blow in, if I blow, cap this off, blow in that port, it should lift the diaphragm off and blow out. And this one was just tested bad. Yeah, it won't go. Another thing I noticed, if you cap this port off and blow in this, you can kind of hear that little diaphragm clicking around, and then this one's stuck. So I'm hoping I can save it. They seem to have this white crusty crap in here, which who knows what that is. But I'm hoping that what's going on is just the rubber diaphragm is getting stuck onto that surface where it can't lift off anymore. So I was thinking about just plugging this off and shooting an air hose in here more than I can blow with my lungs, and try to blow that, separate the rubber from that surface right there, and maybe get it going. We'll see if I can salvage it.